Pickle Prepping Planet. When disaster strikes, prepping and survival tips for pets. Imagine this. You're at home with your pets on a peaceful evening when the sirens start blaring. A massive storm is approaching, faster than expected. Power is out, the wind is howling, and your dog won't stop pacing nervously. You grab your flashlight and look down at your cat who's huddled under the table, eyes wide with fear. You realize too late you didn't prepare for them. It's every pet owner's nightmare. During disasters, fear, confusion, and chaos can make it hard to think clearly. Pets, unable to understand what's happening, depend on us entirely. But without a solid plan, their survival is at risk. Here's how to ensure you're ready when everything goes wrong. 1. The survival kit that could save their lives. Food and water. Imagine being stuck for days without access to supplies. Keep a 2-week stash of pet food and bottled water. Store food in waterproof containers to prevent contamination. Medications. Forgetting critical meds like insulin or pain relief could be deadly. Pack a supply in your kit, along with instructions for dosage. First aid. What if your pet steps on glass or gets injured? A first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic, tweezers, and pet-safe ointments could mean the difference between life and death. Comfort items. Pets feel panic too. A familiar toy or blanket can calm them when everything else feels wrong. 2. When chaos separates you. After Hurricane Katrina, thousands of pets were abandoned or separated from their owners. The heartbreaking reality? Many were never reunited. Microchips and tags. Microchip your pets and ensure tags are updated with your phone number and address. Reflective tags are invaluable if they get lost in the dark. Recent photos. Keep a printed photo of your pet in your kit. If they go missing, you'll need it to show shelters or rescuers. 3rd, evacuation. Seconds can save lives. Practice. Imagine fumbling with a pet carrier while the clock ticks. Practice loading your pet quickly and safely. Make sure they're comfortable in carriers or on leashes before an emergency. Transport gear. A sturdy carrier, harness, or leash is essential. If they panic and try to escape, you'll need to keep them secure. 4. Pets feel panic too. When the air becomes heavy with danger, be it a storm, wildfire, or flood, pets sense it. Their anxiety can make them hide, run, or lash out. Calming tools. Stock calming sprays, treats, or anxiety wraps. Your calm demeanor can also help reduce their stress. The post-disaster threats. You don't see coming. The storm may pass, but dangers linger. Broken glass, toxic debris, and polluted water can harm your pet. Safety check. Before letting them roam, inspect the area. Keep them leashed until you're sure it's safe. Illness watch. Look for signs of illness like vomiting, lethargy, or unusual behavior. Seek veterinary help if needed. 6. Long-term survival plans. Sometimes disasters leave you displaced for weeks or longer. Backup supplies. Rotate your emergency pet supplies regularly so they don't expire. DIY pet food. If supplies run out, learn how to make emergency meals with safe ingredients. Avoid foods toxic to pets, like chocolate, onions, and garlic. 7. What if you're not home? Disasters don't wait for you to be ready. If you're away, a trusted neighbor or friend who knows your plan can make all the difference. Share keys, evacuation plans, and your pet's needs with someone reliable. 8. Never assume it won't happen to us. Even if you live in a quiet, disaster-free area, emergencies like fires, gas leaks, or sudden evacuations can happen anywhere. Thinking it won't happen is how people get caught unprepared. Final thoughts. Imagine looking into your pet's terrified eyes and knowing you did everything you could to keep them safe. That's the peace of mind prepping gives you. Disasters don't give warnings, we have to be ready. The question is, will you be? When it comes down to survival, being over-prepared is the best gift you can give your pets. Make your plan today. The storm might come tomorrow.